Hey everyone, Ed Kiefer again, bringing you another Luxe highlight. This is our first day at our Hershey meet and greet event, off-site event, about 30 miles south in Elizabethtown from the Hershey RV show. And we've got lots of room for you. There's lots of parking all the way down this street. And you will be at a beautiful location. This is called the Star Barn. There's the barn. This Star Barn is amazing. It has been taken apart and reassembled about 11 miles from here, and it's been reassembled at this location. So we've got 4 units here that are ready for you to look at. Give us a call, 844-284-6678. Get us on the web at luxefifthwheel.com and take a look at the address on there. Make an appointment. If you just want to kind of casually look around, that's perfectly fine. You're welcome to come and just stop by and casually look around. This is a very low-key, relaxing environment that you can browse. You can stay here all day long. You can come back another day if you like. So hey, you have a great day and come visit us.